Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Hassan Khanno and as I promised, I am here to help you speak English fluently and natural. No complicated grammar or boring books. We will learn speak English the way it's used in real life through everyday conversation. Just stay with me and I promise I will stand for you. Let's begin. Hi Ricardo, thanks for coming. It's been a while since we last met.
I know, we've been so busy lately. It's nice to finally have time to sit down and catch up.
Absolutely, I think everyone needs a break from work once in a while.
That's it. Life becomes much more enjoyable when we take time for friends.
Exactly. By the way, have you ever been to this restaurant before?
Yes, a couple of times. The food's excellent and the service has always been great.
Good to know. There are so many dishes on the menu that I didn't know what I choose.
If you like Italian food, I definitely recommend the grilled chicken pasta. It's one of my favorite dishes here.
Yes, I'd like a grilled chicken, pasta with sparkling water, please.
And I'd like seafood pizza with a fresh orange juice, please.
Excellent, your order be ready shortly.
How have things been going with your English project?
Honestly, I really enjoy it. Every new video teaches me something, and I feel that my confidence keep growing.
Wonderful. I believe people appreciate content that's practical and easy to relate to.
That's exactly what I am trying to create. I don't want people to memorizing grammar or English. I want them to experience it in real situation.
A smart approach. After all, language is meant to connect people.
Exactly, when people enjoy the conversation, they remember the expression much more easy.
Have you ever imagined how many people your videos could help in the future?
Honestly, I am trying not to think too much about the number. My main goal is to help at last person become more confident every day.
I admire this attitude. Success usually comes when we focus on helping people first.
I completely agree. If we stay consistent and keep improving, the results will come naturally. Here are your mal. Enjoy.
Everything smells amazing. I can't wait to try.
My neither. Thanks a lot. Bon appetit. Excellent job. I promise I will stay with you for speaking English confidently and natural as a native speakers. I love you so much.